Move the foundation box into the room it will be used. Remove all pieces from the box and count your parts. Refer to your instructions for the parts list. Remove all of the wooden pieces of the foundation into position. Be sure that each end and side frame has a recessed side facing up and towards the center. Look for the up indicator on each piece as a guide. Starting at one end of the foundation, insert the bolts on the end frame through the holes of the side rail. Use the enclosed hardware to secure the end frame to the side frame. Place the flat washer, followed by the locking washer, and then the wing nut. Screw loosely into place. Repeat these steps with all the center and side rails. Then tighten all wing nuts fully. Carefully lay the slats on the foundation base with the Velcro side facing down. Lift and stretch the slats towards the other end of the foundation. Press down on the Velcro to secure the slats into place. Lay the cover over the foundation with the gray side facing up. Stretch the cover over the foundation until the cover is tightly fitted. You can stand the foundation on its side to fully stretch it around all edges. Place your completed foundation on your bed frame.